Alrighty, next video for Sudsy CRM. That's going to be about snippets. Are you tired in your business that you're constantly answering the same question? Let's say you're doing an interior quote and you keep sending the same thing. How much is it to do my car? How much is it to tint it? How much? You're like, you know what? Like, I wish I could just autopilot this whole thing. That's what we can do with snippets. Snippets are a way in Sudsy CRM that we can go into the CRM, add custom fields, use them, and make it so you can do something like this. So you can create text or email, and these would be common things that you're going to send to people. I've showed this briefly in different videos, but let's say an interior quote for a sedan. This is an email one. So detailing quote, hey blank, hope you're having a great day. Or quote for this vehicle. This is the pricing, and it's all custom fields. So your first name, your last name, and then your location name. You can do a ton of things. You can add an email signature. So like if you go into custom fields, user, you can add tons of stuff. Your number that's in there, your signature, first name, last name, whatever. You can also do like year, make, model. So if this person requests a quote in the let's say they submitted a form and you have a year, make, model from the form, you can just do this. So it'd be for your year, make, model, they write in the form, the price would be 250 to 300. The benefit of this is, and you could do like one for text, one for email, is let's say you go into contacts. I don't know, do I have a contact in here? Good, I do. And this person reached out for a quick quote. You can just go, okay, email. I know I don't have a phone number set up. We're gonna do email just so I can show you. Click message. There's a little button here. It looks like a piece of paper, says snippets. You just click here. And then this is gonna auto paste that snippet. So if you want to make different ones for different size vehicles, if you want to make some for tinting, if you want to make some for anything, and the text ones also, I don't have a phone number in here. The text ones also work for Facebook and Instagram. So if you get a bunch of messages and you're answering a ton of quotes, make text snippets, and then you can go through them all. You also can sort them by folders. So if you want to, they're in marketing and then snippets. If you want to add a folder where it's like interior, you can, and then you can move to folder. So when you're looking in snippets, it's going to be all like interior tint, that type of thing. So it's all there, and then it's in your interior folder. You can do that for a bunch of different things. So if you want to do some for tint, some for interior, some for PPF, common stuff you're constantly sending, make snippets. You can also do them on your phone. So if you're driving, or if you're on the road, I should say, not driving. If you're on the road, you know, you can do that. So you're just like, you're in the middle of a job, like, oh, I just got a quote for details, go snippet. Okay, kind of car. Okay, great. Send it, and you're done. That easy. You're all set and ready to roll. If you have common things that you always are doing in text and you're like, why am I writing this all the time? Make a snippet and it'll make your life easier. Remember, text ones are for text messages, Facebook, Instagram, emails for email. If you guys have any questions about snippets and what they can do to make your CRM journey a lot better, don't be afraid to reach out. I will talk to you soon.